Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings and going straight to sound and vibration. You need to check which sound stream is active, media, ring, or notifications, because resetting affects specific streams. Once there, use the volume rocker to identify the stream and tap Advanced or App Volume and Preferences. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off, otherwise changes won't register. Now you're ready to back up current profiles or note custom volumes before proceeding to the actual reset steps. You'll now reset both app-specific and system volumes. In advanced sound settings, set media, ring, and alarm sliders to a neutral level, around 50% to establish a baseline. Then open app volume preferences and restore each app to default if it was customized. Disable any audio enhancements, equalizers, or third-party sound profiles because they can override system levels. Once done, test playback and notifications so you can tell which stream still needs fine-tuning before a full. You're at the finish line. Perform Reset App Preferences or reset all settings in the System section to restore sound defaults without wiping data. Confirm the reset, then reboot the phone to apply clean audio rules. After restart, retest ringer, media, and alarms using quick audio tests. If sound still misbehaves, try Safe Mode to rule out apps, disconnect Bluetooth devices, and inspect the speaker area for debris. If hardware seems faulty, contact support or use a repair center as your next step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.